Sports car lovers rejoice. The next generation Toyota GR86 has arrived. Born from years of rigorous testing on the racetrack, few vehicles embody the excitement of driving as thoroughly as GR86. And this all-new version is cranking that mentality up to the max. With its endlessly energetic personality, it's no wonder GR86 has earned the stamp of approval from Akio Toyoda himself. He may be the president of the Toyota Motor Corporation, but when he puts on his racing helmet, he becomes Morizo, his alter ego as Toyota's lead master driver, and the only one who can decide if a vehicle deserves a Gazoo Racing badge, or GR. Since GR86 now falls under Toyota's GR Performance brand, it sits right alongside the legendary GR Supra in the Toyota family. And within its own lineup, the new model will be offered in two grades, GR86 and GR86 Premium, both of which can be equipped with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission with paddle shifters. For GR86, performance is the name of the game, and this new generation takes a big step forward here. GR86 may already be known for its telepathic, impeccably balanced handling, and that's taken even further for this all-new generation, with improved aerodynamics and a chassis that's nearly 50% stiffer than before. That said, its new powertrain deserves time in the spotlight as well. This boxer engine remains naturally aspirated to make the most of its brilliant responsiveness, but it's now 2.4 liters in size, an increase of 20% over the previous generation. As a result, it now puts out 228 horsepower at 7,000 RPM, as well as 184 pound-feet of torque at just 3,700 RPM, an impressive 2,700 RPM sooner than before. Like the previous generation, either a 6-speed manual transmission or paddle-shifted 6-speed automatic transmission can be used to send power to the rear, where a Torsen limited slip differential helps ensure all that new torque finds its grip on the pavement as intended. All told, 0 to 60 times have been shaved down to just 6.1 seconds for manual models and 6.6 for automatics. All that being said, GR86's appetite for speed is kept in check through confidence-inspiring ventilated brakes, 11.6 inches up front and 11.4 in the rear. On the outside, GR86's new design radiates refined athletic performance with its optimal front-engine, rear-drive sports car proportions, low, wide, with a cabin set far back behind a long hood. And it takes this aggressive styling to the next level with an array of sporty design elements, like functional air inlets and brake cooling vents up front, available 18-inch wheels along the side, and a rear duckbill spoiler out back. But when it comes to premium exterior features, GR86 delivers here too, with a smart key system for easy vehicle access, and standard LED lighting that features an adaptive front lighting system on premium models. Unsurprisingly, GR86's cabin remains extremely driver-focused for its second generation. Case in point, the awesome new 3-mode digital instrumentation that offers different designs depending on whether it's in normal, sport, or track mode. Similarly, the front seats are made for action, with a deep bucket design with side bolsters to help keep driver and passenger supported during serious cornering. But that's not to say it's light on premium touches though, with leather-trimmed accents on the parking brake, shift boot, steering wheel for automatic models, and even the seating itself for the premium grade. Sports car or not though, GR86 still offers the practicality needed for daily driving. It comes with standard automatic climate control with a digital display, as well as a 2x2 seating arrangement that allows for passengers in back. In fact, those rear seats can be folded down to maximize 86's cargo capacity, enough for a full set of tires for track day in fact. GR86's tech story isn't all under the hood. Its interior offers loads of entertainment and connectivity thanks to its 8-inch touchscreen audio system. This system features 2 USB ports, as well as standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, there's also a standard 3-month SiriusXM All-Access trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country, as well as a range of seriously handy connected services subscriptions. For a vehicle geared towards performance driving, safety is critical. Like all modern Toyota vehicles, GR86 includes a star safety system, while automatic transmission models take it a step further with standard active safety systems like pre-collision system, lane departure alert with automatic high beams, and adaptive cruise control. Even in terms of passive safety, 86 now features 7 airbags, including a driver's knee airbag. With this 2022 model, the Toyota GR86 ushers in a new era of responsive, fun-to-drive performance. And this is all combined with Toyota's legendary quality and dependability. Great ownership value through services like the Toyota Care Maintenance Plan and a complimentary 1-year membership to the National Autosport Association, the same one offered to GR Supra owners that comes complete with a high-performance driving experience and discounted admission to NASA-sanctioned events. It's obvious how this GR86 is the sports car to beat for a whole new generation. Get behind the wheel yourself this fall.